Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Quizlet account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Quizlet account online on your computer, just open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. Now in order to proceed from over here guys, after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in the address quizlet.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Quizlet over here like this guys. Now in order to proceed to log into your Quizlet account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a sign up button available for us. Just click on that sign up button and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there's the sign up option available for us as well as the login. Now in order to just to sign into our account, let's click on the login panel over here, and we will be on this panel of the Quizlet. Now from over here, to proceed to sign into your account, you can see guys, you can log into your Quizlet account with your Google, Facebook or your Apple account. If you click on either of these buttons, login panel to Google, Facebook or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts guys, you'll be signed into your Quizlet account with your Google, Facebook or Apple account. And with that being said guys, for a manual login, enter your email address over here with which you have signed up for a Quizlet account, and after that enter your password. But guys, if you forgot your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. Click on this button, you'll be taken to a page where you will be able to reset your Quizlet account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Quizlet account from over here. And there guys, this is how to log into account online on your. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.